What's your name and what's in here, man?
I got a David Graham. Oh, just out Sundays, like I said, it's just a little daily setup.
Okay.
Got 4 Bonce Arnold 8s and 4 6.5s, one in each door on a 201.4.
Yep.
I got 2 Bonce SA3 15s.
Okay.
Dual ones, just in a prefab with a little DC out of 3.5. They're underpowered right now, but
yeah,
sounds pretty good.
All right. What is it wired to? You said?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. All right. What is a box tuned to?
31 hertz.
31 hertz.
31 hertz.
Okay. Nice. All right.
Oh.
You documented the whole floor.
Oh, the whole thing.
Wow.
I'm still in the process of putting it all back together.
Okay.
Another 3.5 on the way, and hopefully
really?
I'll pick it up soon.
So you're actually going to put another whole amp on this?
Yeah, I'm going to strap them together, and I got another box.
Okay.
That box is only like 5 cubes. I need like 9.
Really? Oh, so it's got to be a bigger box?
Yeah, I got another box, so hopefully next time I'm out of the show or something, I have all that together.
Okay. Appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.
I'm going to go check out on the side and go look at the amp. Thanks for showing me, man. Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.